Avery the camp dog.
Avery, dog.
Avery,
Rule.
Avery.
A dog is a camper's best friend. Avery, the camp dog. 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, campers. Today we have a very special guest, the one, the only, Camp Therapy's dog, Avery. Good morning, Avery.
Good morning.
Today I have some questions for Avery. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get started. Question number 1. What's your favorite snack?
Ooh, sticks. I love sticks. Definitely sticks.
I love sticks too. Question number 2. Do you have a favorite toy?
Probably my ducks. I love my ducks. Ducks.
You hear that? She loves ducks. Number 3. What's your favorite activity at camp?
I love getting love from campers. L is for the way you look at me. S is for the sticks you bring to me. I think that's how it goes, right?
That is so sweet. Avery, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love when my mom takes me on car rides and she lets me sticks my head out the window. Ooh, sticks!
What a lucky dog. Next, do you have a favorite color?
Probably the color pink. My favorite ducky is color pink. It's my favorite.
That's a good color. That's a good color. What's your favorite time of day?
I love when my mom makes me up and says good morning. So, probably morning.
Well, good morning, Avery. Last question. Do you have any nicknames?
Well, my mom says that I'm a good girl, and she says it a lot. So, I'm gonna say my nickname is Good Girl. Yeah, that's a good one.
Well, you are a good girl. There you have it, folks. This is an interview with Avery, and you saw it here first. I'll see you next time. Bye. Avery the camp dog.
Avery, dog. Rule. A dog is a camper's best friend. Avery, the camp dog.